Hey guys, welcome back to destruction number 85. We have this home decorators thing. It doesn't work. Freaking plugged in and everything. Nothing. In fact, it's plugged in right now. And I'm gonna unplug it because it doesn't freaking work. But yeah, it's garbage. Doesn't have its globe. But yeah. Let's see what we can do with this thing. Okay. Ow! I was gonna spin it.
Fine, you do it.
Okay. Ready?
Oh yeah.
Set, go.
Very nice. Yeah. Don't even spin no more.
Oh my god. Okay. This is gonna fuck. Oh. All right. This thing is like bending funny.
That thing's pretty crispy.
Yeah, it's smoked. All right. Well. Hope y'all just enjoyed destruction number 85. Went a little crazy, but nothing wrong with that. But yeah, I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.